Jocelyn River near Culpeper, 1.5.
The areas affected include Appomattox River and Mattox. The hazardous weather conditions.
I'm extremely surprised most of my radios went off.
Impacts at 21.0 feet. Agricultural and pasture land flooded. Additional details at 12:30 p.m. Monday. The stage was 17.6 feet. Bankable stage is 19.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 21.1 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 21.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 21.1 feet on December 9, 2020. www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from Tuesday morning to tomorrow afternoon. Minor flooding is forecast. The areas affected include
Surprise, surprise! How about that?
University, downtown Richmond, University of Richmond, Bon Air, Tuckahoe, Mechanicsville, Lakeside, East Highland Park, and Chamberlain. This includes the following streams and drainages: Stony Run, Broad Rock Creek, Powhite Creek, James River, Chickahominy River, Horseppen Branch, Good Creek, Jordan's Branch, and Horse Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins
What is
rising.
this? Oh, dang. Wait, what? Oh, no!
Or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Sunday for the following county: Henrico, Virginia, and the Virginia Independent City of Richmond.
Let's see what happens to WVHL. Here's my face, guys. No. Oh, there's the attention toad. This is just sad. And what do you know? WVHL polling a 2011 EAN.
Thunderstorm watch number 634, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Albemarle, Augusta, Culpeper, Greene, Madison, Nelson, Orange, Rockingham, and Spotsylvania, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Stanton, and Waynesboro. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Statements and possible weather. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
All right.
Now for the official National Weather Service
Hate this so much.
for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ
That's dead.
Yay.
Thunderstorm watch number 635, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Appomattox, Buckingham, Charlotte, Cumberland, Urbana, Gooseland, Louisa, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh, to try replacing the RCA thing on there.
Producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Baltimore. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most are in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
I did not expect them to relay. Also, shout out to my mom for these cookies. Yay!
At 4:03 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for north central Chesterfield County, Central Henrico County, the city of Richmond, until 7:15 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes.
Wow.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
No, it's not
Flash
good.
flooding caused by thunderstorms.
What the heck? What the heck is this?
Issued at 4:03 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a Central Chester.
Okay, wow. Controller remote sucks right
Over
now.
to the Graycom to catch an SVR from AKQ. Yay.
Two, what the heck? Two.
receiver.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Chesterfield County, Central King and Queen County, Western Middlesex County, Charles City County, New Kent County, Southeastern Henrico County, King William. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Studley to near Bottoms Bridge to near Hopewell, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind.
Really?
Nyquist, Tunstall, and Bottoms Bridge around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Halliesville around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. King William, Adkins Store, and Providence Forge around 4:30 p.m.
Oh, it's Katie.
Charles City and Roofville around 4:35 p.m. New Kent around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. King and Queen Courthouse and Holdcroft around 4:50 p.m. Other locations.
It did. It died.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.
Oh.
Yeah, that was WFLO's. Scared me.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Chesterfield County, the Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, southern Charles City County.
Is that real? Is that what it really says?
No way, it actually just says the. Oh.
It really says the city of. Why does it say the Colonial Heights?
Hopewell to near Petersburg to DeWitt, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Petersburg, Dinwiddie, Hopewell, Fort Gregg Adams, Prince George, Jordan's Point, and DeWitt around 4:35 p.m. Garysville and Carson around 4:45 p.m. Disputanta around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Taylor's Corner, Birchett, Addison, Spring Grove, Jordan Point Country Club, Wharf Store, Petersburg National Battlefield, Darvos, Church Road, and Richard Bland College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757.
Oh.
15, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Okay
I
then.
went for Hanover.
Oh, that's a clear signal.
Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hanover County, east central Henrico County, north central Charles City County, south central King William County, northwestern New Kent County until 7:45 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Kent, Townsville, Roxbury, Highland Springs, Mechanicsville, Tunstall, Bottoms Bridge, Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties. In Virginia, Charles City, Hanover, Henrico, King William, and New Kent. The 4 p.m. area will be 20% humidity, 90% around in fog.
Okay then.
Issued at 4:50 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Chesterfield County, Colonial Heights,
I didn't get the alert.
County, northwestern Prince George County,
I didn't get it on my iPhone. It's weird.
Petersburg until 8 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard.
Yes, we can turn this to channel whatever. Yes, we can tune this to channel 4. Oh, wow, okay. Surprising.
Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties. In Virginia, Chesterfield, Dinwiddie, and Prince George, and the following independent cities. In Virginia, Colonial Heights, Hopewell, and Petersburg.
Okay, I'm actually looking to get a radio for the rack here. So I'll have 2 channels to monitor. One will be, I'll have one rack for here. It's gonna go right here. And I'm gonna have a radio. That's right here, yeah. And it's gonna have 2 tuners. So I'll have a Sage monitoring 3 channels, which would be the weather radio, and then two other FM stations, which would be pretty cool. And then I want to get some keystone rack, so I can. Okay, warning, you're gonna see a mess right here. Oh, actually, that's not too much of a mess. But yeah, I'm gonna get a keystone rack and put it on the back, so I can hook these up. So yeah. Ah, look at my greasy fingerprints. Ah.
Southeastern King William County, James City County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Essex County, the city of Williamsburg in southeastern Virginia, Lancaster County until 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jamaica to near West Point to Rustic, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
I'm surprised it didn't say severe thunderstorm was located.
Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Tono, Norge, Churchview, Jamaica, and Sheffield.
It's like they fixed it or something.
Havana, Saluda, Grams around 5:10 p.m. Williamsburg around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. College of William and Mary around 5:20 p.m. Gloucester Courthouse and Queens Lake around 5:25 p.m. Lancaster, Hartfield, in York Terrace around 5:30 p.m. Kilmarnock, Whitestone, and Hayes around 5:35 p.m. Gloucester Point and Blake's around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Is E74107 staying here forever? Good question. It could be. Maybe not. I mean, it's been doing a good job so far. It's been on channel 7, but I tuned it to channel 4. I mean, there's only 3 channels on it, so... yeah, I guess. Here we go again!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for...
Can I change the channel 4?
Sleep. Highs in 5 miles per hour. Wednesday night. Or 80s. Lows in the mid 60s. Northern Virginia.
Huh?
Or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Alrighty.